Edwin Bar, good evening to everyone. Greetings to you all. Greetings to you all. And happy new week for everybody. Yeah. Happy new week for everybody with the join. I don't be the whole last week. I never come live. But I decided to come live today because the revolution that a crucial time. And I be don't tell you now. Despite how, even though certain things that they go wrong way, we no like and make it go that way, but I go always there for educate the people. And as the audience, the bill, one thing that I go tell Ambazonians very, very clear and very openly. Failure is a great push for success. Failure. If you don't accept say you don't fail, you don't ever achieve for life. Good evening, Kiwa Lindis. If you don't accept for life, say you don't fail, you can never. You see why we fight this revolution today? Now because we are prepared and they accept they don't fail. Failure. Now something it push you to succeed. Failure not be insult. No. Failure is a self-motivated spirit for person where in a motivation for succeed. Failure. I don't want to talk this one today before I want to start. And any person who watch this video, make it get this very, very one. Now, only for we are revolution where when person fail, it is failure, let's say, failure to win an insult. No. Failure not be insult. Failure not be insult. For tell you say you fail, that means they love you. If you're there for life, for real life, and your friend tell you say you are a failure, don't take it as an insult. Take it as a step for push you to success. I tell you for play work come out. Many people they don't know me before, they used to call me say I go be failure for life, I not go succeed. Many people not be no say I go dey so. But every word where person be tell me throughout my struggling life, I see them as a step for push forward. Ask everybody where you know me. Even for this revolution, if I be the look now say mistakes and what people they do and insult what people they call people, man for don't go back. But throughout my life, I see failure as a push for success. Ask any person who don't know me from the time where they born me. I don't grow with some papa way, the papa would give me advice. No. I grow with the well and everybody where I meet. And most people where you meet, they don't ever talk for you like say they be a papa. No man will replace your papa. You get people that go talk for you soft. You get man go talk for you very arrogant. That's so life day. You get man will go talk for you soft and you get man go rebuke you arrogantly. But throughout my life, any person, whether you talk me soft or you talk me arrogant, I did take them as a push for my own life, for push me forward. Thank you, Abon. Now, may we build the audience. I want to talk today because there are many things the way I don't hear online, especially on my present attack, and where I don't talk about IG. Some people, then when they come outside here, now this very system where it don't happen before, where even though things they be handled, they be changed immediately, this thing will say, may they not talk about your government. It make many people that they take advantage, forget the ayabacho, their spirit, they use them for back. This thing where when you want to talk about something where it be wrong, people they say, no, don't talk, go and talk behind. No. When you talk behind, you talk for correction. When you talk behind, people they not do. It be good. Open rebuke fine. You see La Republic them. Then they catch their embezzlers. You see now all time when La Republic catch embezzle, when people go embezzle money, they be return only for back. No man no go, they don't even catch one they put them for jail. If they be return only for back, no person no go there for La Republic in jail. No person. When you talk for back, even international government, they rebuke government for fraud. Now only for Ambazonia revolution. When something do wrong, that means if we follow this war, so all the bad people will go ahead inside government now. All the bad people say could therefore inside Kondengi today, Naira 10 happen now because of waiting. Naira 10 happen now because of these things they don't talk about government. If we be wake up talk about Milan, the war will be started. Naira 10 will surely happen. It will surely leak. If we say we wake up, we'll be talk about that thing where Seseko can't talk say we will not talk about Milan, where Milan be take thief money with a webmaster. If we be talk about that thing, Plenty things for on very well sometimes that people don't for inside jail today. Plenty. But when you see say you will want pamper people, say there's look, a government is not persons. A government is the blood and the flag. Government not be individual. Nobody can destroy government. Government is built on patriotism. Government is built on patriotism, not on surrogacy. If you build a government on surrogacy, it is like CPDM. I want to tell you all today, whether you go behind, you sit, you say, don't watch Prince Jeka, don't give money to Watana Wata or whatever. I don't care. Before one can start raise money, now people they tell me say can't do them. And if you don't give things, Watana Wata will continue if he has to continue. But me, I'm somebody where I tell you, surrogacy doesn't help. It doesn't. Because you fail to do the right thing because your eyes is covered. That's why you see me in this revolution. I never ever choose for say to be part of a government. Because once you choose to be part of something, definitely if you not be a correct person for stand rebuke, things that will go wrong. As the audience the bill, I will just touch on one or two things. I hear some comrades they say, when my country people they use your things against the IG, that means you work in favor of the Republic. Fatal wrong. Fatal wrong. Whether my country people play my video or whatever, it doesn't concern anything with the revolution. Or whether my country people go applaud me or talk whatever. My country people is an enemy. When the enemy sing their praise, that means you have a weak point. Then you wake up and correct it. Simple. Now so white people they do, now so Europeans they do. When the enemy sing talk about your weakness is for you. Now for the only for the revolution where people they say they want counter my country people. Yeah, if you counter if you get that time, but that's a distractor. But when a distractor talk about your weak point, that means you get for correct them. You get to correct it. You get to correct it. And some people they go show back and say views. And more will not share a post, more will not do this. You are not killing me, you're killing yourself. That's a CPDM style. That's a CPDM style, pure fact. And my country people can never destroy this revolution. Just like how Sise could not destroy them, there is no individual. People who are going out with that doctrine say, don't talk like this, the interim government like this. There are people where they get at the CPDM style. CPDM. Now people where they get CPDM style. An open rebuke makes a government stand strong. But I tell you, see, if they rebuke Donald Trump for front public, and he don't destroy America, he destroy America, he never destroy America. So if you come out for war, they fight war, you call out the ill of something where the government they do. You see, and like say, na attack on the government. So they, at the year, the surrogates them like Uchemba. Uchemba, they go make audio. So I never say, look, these are the things the way they the weaken people. I used to ask you now 1 week that don't pass, how many activists when I don't see the Can Life Can Do show? How many activists? How many activists them when I don't see again the Cam Life Can Do show? Let's be real. How many? They need to pay no person. Now just say me, Prince, I know the look now people. If I be the follow na talk, I know the benefit nothing. I don't benefit. I don't benefit. For this revolution, activists they like Mark. When they be the raise money, they the ask percentage. For the revolution, tell President Sarko be the president before activists. He go talk him. When they be the go use Mark Barata, if Facebook for raise money, that time the government, the owner, the council, that time he be give Mark Barata share. But me for the revolution, look all them, they get paid. They work money. You don't see me accounts on their best Amazon, they may give me money. The best thing why they get for an insult. And I'm very okay. Because I did not pledge my oath to you. If I be one do not the way for get money, or when I want to come now, when I come make noise. If I want do not the way for get money, I for don't enter politics since. I for don't join groups them. I for don't sing praises for people. My platform for don't plenty. Yes, my platform for don't grow. If I be one be like some of you now, if I want enter that place for tea, look people they just come now. People they never know their face. They don't take money them. You use money them. They never even hold accountable. If me I want do so, I for don't do a sins. I for don't do a sins. But when we not choose that platform for go for be for place where we go to take money, we go to misuse money, we stand out for talk true. People take the truth now because they don't see them for place where if don't we be where work activists, we not go see money. If it is not the work of the activists promoting this government no go see money. Most of una want for that government, they use that money. Now they work where we activists will do, where they give where they contribute for that government. In life, you must help each other for sustain. And I believe say when example President Sarko and a president, when we don't be activists, we go be president. You will definitely understand the role of an activist in a revolution. No matter how things were, when Seseku was a president, Seseku be always, even Seseku no gang, people they were inside the government, they always brief activists. We're well informed. They will be getting whistleblowers inside the government, where it be the blow whistle for activists when things they go wrong. That's why we could know what will happen with Naira. That's why we'll be able for to ask documents for SCBC. If we be all be like surrogates, like Ucheba Nelson and the others, the way they do, President Sarko will forever be president. This interim government will they under enough ever hold. If we will be careful be surrogates like Uchemba under Seseku and that government, this una present government where all una Ma Irene and the others they inside, una not forever be, una not forever. Secretary Chris Anum and the rest, not forever be for play with the day. This is one thing where most of una must know. Ambazonian is not about where you are. Ambazonian is about the spirit to fight for those who are dead. It's not about you accumulating a position. It's not about you building surrogates to attack people when they are right. Ambazonia is about telling and rebuking your brother because we're at war. I will rebuke you. I will not care whether my country people will take the video, go put them. I don't care whether Uchemba. That one, I don't give time for non-entities. I will rebuke you and tell you, I don't care who view me or who don't view me. No. Because you don't pay me. I pay you, the government. I pay you. As an activist for this revolution, for my job, what I do for 4 years, if I be want to find that money for this revolution, you know how much I don't make? Let me ask some of you. As an activist in this revolution, if I wanted to be doing like others, getting money, you know how much I would have made for 4 years? Look all the others them. Look at the way they live, they enjoy. Look all the other activists them. One the way they don't know, one they don't think. Look even people the way they don't count this revolution where I don't be before them. Look the way they enter even inside the interim government. Look the way they thief money. Then they see turn send people, may they cost we will work for them, will take the money. Look. One call one, one call two. Because of too much politics and self-interest for protect people them. Even inside the LGAs, and now we know if we talk true. People the way they swindle money in the name of protecting government. People they don't come outside. No. No. Milan Atem was the Secretary General of the IG by then. He played with Webmaster. We broke it. It did for outside. Nobody was mad with it. Milan Atem was the Secretary General of the IG. Now be the worker with with then President Seseku for all sides. He took na $10,000. $10,000 where they play Magomago Webmaster. We broke the thing outside. We broke them all for outside. And now who believe them? Now people for inside the government because they value the blood of Ambazonia. But today we dey here. Before the thing what happen, I don't talk plenty. When I talk, they will say Prince, but I always give the best advice. Before this thing one starts, say mountain race. I'll talk a bit about mountain race. You see me so, I don't know how some people then the reason. I not say nobody know the pay way for this job. But the one thing I learn from these people, now the way they grow. I explain how they do things. If you come for a place like my country, for play where I did, they set rules, they do things at least 2 years before time. They do things at least 2 years before time. 2 years. If you say something get for happen, they start preparing for now. Now for that way I learn. Forget about that drama. That let me talk to you about that General Saga taking rise. That's the things where the way it go destroy this war revolution. Too much politics don't enter. And I will not talk. You don't see me. I will not say it again. Look, and that's why I blow whistle for correction 3 times. For this revolution, I don't realize and say, people like Yannick Sikot and the others where they go away, they were not wrong. If not be say me Prince, I get hurt for suffer people and I be suffer man. I for don't pack my bag. Let me ask you now. I don't give una 3 times. I don't talk about things the way they go happen. It happen. When it happen, no be most of una can't coach me, na coach me. Let's be real. Una even join the people that want to know they join the Republic coach me. 3 times. As an activist for this revolution where I did, I dey educate the people. I dey predict when a thing will get for happen. I dey get my own intelligence. I dey share. I dey come inside the roots for the government. I dey talk. I dey still bring out things. For all this while, we don't be for this revolution. I don't come here and tell when I wait till it happen. Opopo, the issue where you see Sagat go carry that rice. Now they kill where they go kill Gabonese. Now they kill where they go kill Gabonese. That one I just stage drama. Now just stage drama. And for which, now just I don't want to bring things. And for which for play the video, the audios they wanna hear. Now for the kill where they go kill Gabonese, where they go seize all Opopo they are chop, where they be done disable and farmer they are chop. Then they carry and I can't say the one can do good Samaritan. Look, me, I'm not into it. You see me, Prince, why I don't always there for this revolution, where you see everybody, some people, they dress. Now, because I say, I know they ever mix myself with dirty. Some people, that want to be surrogates for preach their gospel, maybe they make their money. If I want to be surrogates for preach gospel for make money, the best person who have to do surrogacy with, and not for doing with any leader, for doing with Eric Tato. May I tell you now? If I want to do surrogacy for get money, the best person I for do am, and not for doing with this interim government, I for doing with Eric Tato. But you know what? I don't say for this revolution. I don't say I say in life and in the revolution. I don't do it for none of you. Because even today, tomorrow, I go still cost me. Even if I tell you too good today, that's the life of African. That's the life of most African people. That's why they don't grow. Yes. And if they ask me, say, where Jesus was killed, I'm not going to talk to Jesus be killed for. I've even thought they surely kill of Africa. Because you never ever think about what somebody says before. You mostly pick negativity. If me, Abuwan, get money for this, do you know how much me and Eric Tato we raised for support Pata Sangya woman and Seseko? We raised $18,000. 18,000. After Mark Barata and Tapang in this revolution, if there had to be another two people where they for do things together, make it spark for now me and Eric Tato. Now me and Eric Tato. But because of the people and because of the compromised nature where it be done the be, say they know they give you respect for the internet, they know they respect you like an activist. Where it go turn that way. I see come out Kambushi. And the same thing when they do. There is no respect for an activist in the revolution. There is no one. Be the government, be whoever. The government want to make them respect it. Go to America. They don't disrespect press people. They don't disrespect any person where they know they come outside surrogates, they can't lambash people. You don't do that. You don't disrespect people who hold the values of a government. It's the press. In Ambazonian, activists are like pressmen. But when Eric Tato go off, be compromised, I not check say Eric Tato don't be for this revolution. No. I look at the value of the people and I am by he. I come for he direct when I get the intelligence. I come for he direct. I said no. And before I come for he, I don't talk for he for back. I said stop. So tell me he come out ending for back. I come out direct after I don't get intelligence. But if there had to be somebody, I never even stand for the government. If I want money, I come on a road. Not in order for road to I don't know. If I want to do a mafia for this revolution, the best person for do for make money now Eric Tato. Because after Mark Barata, Eric Tato, Tapang, they don't go down. Me and Eric for do better things because everybody be the belief we. Now the trust for the way me and Eric Tato be there, where they send me money, I the come work, I send for Eric Tato. All things they go for ye, I the gather am. Now that trust make away water stand. Is that trust? Now that trust make away water stand. Now when you come for places like Ekona, you see the politics where they go for day. Before one come up for this talk about Sagat. Before one talk about Sagat. Now because of say Sagat insult the president, insult the government. But today now the same government they make we look stupid. That's why I say sometimes if activists you look at it broken you. Why Prince Jeka, since when I don't know me for this revolution, I be the car up, AGC and the others, they be the insult me about Fako. You will never see me Sunday. I wake up, I go, she don't say, I go do things for Fako. We see all these surrogates, then they wake up. You never see me Sunday. But this interim government, who would support them? This same president and IG cabinet, That guy where today, the same members of that government, they share back rice because people that they bring video for back rice can't share them because people their interest be affiliated for FACO. People they want to make FACO be dominated and make they get their way. That same guy be move audio, the insult president, they give you allegiance to ADF. And everything, the audios and there, if I just say I don't get time, I pray God say I get time, I come. If they give all allegiance to ADF, they show everything, they talk, it cost president. I wake up, na me. I wake up, I start fire back, that very general. I start fire back, the attack where they attack the IG. But today, because of say Reverend Asson come and people get their beef for inside interim government with Reverend Asson, that IG not care about me, where I can stand for defend them. When that general be the misuse them, that IG turn because of interest, go side with them. Humiliate every of we inside day because of say they know say that they get power. Nobody no fit question them. It doesn't work like that. Humiliate everybody. Make we look like so be fool. All the day and night money will be the work for FACO for buy tools for Mountain Lion. All the motivation and all the money for Watana Wata we give them $3,000 for make popcorn. We hear kind story. After we don't hear kind kidnapping message they for my phone. Because of so one put things to order. When I go look Goketunja, when I go Lumbui, when I the other kind thing then they. Now you see, instead of peace to be, people want to play politics. That rice, now rice when I opopo, we don't keep them. Most of una I don't know, one of the most richest counties in this revolution, I don't talk am, Nandian, Meme, and FACO. Now whether una see inside these three countries, some people then they were they want them for dominate. Yeah, these three counties, Ndian, Meme, FACO. That three counties the way see enough only for them we go say fight at the B house, fight at get this money, fight at the do this. Because you know why? For that three counties, you get cocoa, you get coffee, you get timber, you get oil. For that three counties, then where I did tell you. Now when things that be this, when this revolution will start. I be no say these three counties where they don't tell them for you. They fit sponsor this war when no man from diaspora they give money. These three counties. These three counties where I don't tell you so. If he give money for sponsor this war. Now but some people don't struggle for put their self for day. Struggle for put boy them, make they come in and them say that they fight. Then they use that money that they send them for them. Now all that drama wanna see Sagat go carry rice bring them. Now rice for popo. As also that rice come out. Now minyenge. As they say since the day where Cross and die, they don't ever share one back rice for population. Ask them so. They don't collect money. Now the thing that way Amazonia we did. Propagandas everywhere. The people where they be sending me, they go find Gabonese. As they go, they say take that rice for day since you don't see Gabonese. Can't share them for people for Ikuna. Ask, they say, since it's almost 3 years today, Cross and die. The videos they did for my phone, where Cross and was the first person we go share rice. Ask and say, for him, now what I want to say, una Amazonians, una be people of little mind. Una fit kill person where, una no know. You know, they know how to judge person in character. You know, they know how to know when person is talk to. You know, they know how when propaganda they come. Most of you, your analytical minds are very low. For the whole this revolution, we don't see, apart from HSS, where they go give rice for Nigeria, you don't see which fighter, apart from Field Marshal and some few, you don't see which fighter for FACO Meme carry chop, go give population. Which may action for almost how many years? You don't see where. You see video where come up for Sagat. That rice, we see come up for that rice for Opopo for Munyenge. Where they be it live with the population for Munyenge. So as they become that evening for can't attack them, can't find Gabonese, as that the farmers and everybody them, they run go for bush, now where Sagat carry them. Now where Sagat carry that rice, can't make now, can't show let's say a good image, can't divide them for people for Ikona. But as say for all the money the way the Sagat don't recollect for Chifindi and the others, which day Sagat ever buy rice, go share them for Ikona? All one they ask me, go back, go look for FACO history. The only person who divide rice, now their general way be don't die. And maybe with Gabonese time where they be this small, they be give mommy the small chop. But since no person ever buy rice as you see that kind of quantity, go divide them. And where he go buy the rice, where he order the rice. Be very smart in asking questions. Which place you order the rice? Where the rice come out? Look the population where they around say for receive the rice. So look, I don't want to go to that, but let me just continue. I'll continue for waiting. I want to talk more about this man. There is good evening. More talk, eh? When we criticize something, we say we hate the government. I say we love the government, make strong. A government, not be people where they can't talk before they act. Now people where they don't prepare action, then they can't announce them. That's so government they operate. I've been always talking about my life. You say it be there a very sweet thing for the IG for take over these 3 counties: Fako, Meme, Ndian. I've been always talking before. It be there a very good thing. But now, even the character of some people there for inside interim government, it go make man for fear. Because it should say some people they only want to find their way for get hold for play with money day. I be don't talk on before everything. But you see, I know they follow this government because of people, because they are more evil people. If you see the characters of many people, they don't weaken the spirit of other activists than when they know they can't live. Ask yourself, first time you see activists that they shake everybody, they want come. But look now, those are things that when if you're a good thinker in the revolution, a government, you have to sit and you think. Ask yourself, this revolution don't always be in a position where this revolution don't always be in a position where an activist, online activism, don't boom the revolution. But today ask yourself, where are the online activists? Apart from me, Prince, and maybe the others when they feel like to come. People feel they don't value their own sacrifice they give. When somebody is against your interest, just like how they do for Ground Zero now. Well, when person they against your interest, this man, they send this one, say, go kill this one. Now, the same thing for inside this government now we get. You don't have nobody where they motivate you. Once you stand against somebody's interest, quickly the person don't go call this other activist. He don't go call this surrogate. Una attack Prince Jeka one time. May they not give money. That and the same thing we una for diaspora. Una don't send them for picking them for ground. It's a shame. Because they tell you truth. They tell you your failure. When for that failure you get for use and you grow. Now for that failure, if you don't accept your failure, then what difference are you from La Republique? If you don't accept, say you don't fail for some place, you go back, you go rectify them. Then which Southern Cameroon are we building? When we talk about failure, it don't mean I say no, you hate. When you talk about failure, it don't mean I say you been a black leg. When you talk about failure, oh no, enemy go see it. What is the problem? Even your enemy sees your failure. So long as he has to push you to success, you compete pride with your enemy. You compete with your enemy. What is it if even my country people share your failure? What is it if any person, once your failure is being shared, it gives you the courage to succeed? Picking the day where they get 0 paper for GCE, but because of their failure, the next year they get 10 papers. Failure is a success. It's a push to success. Only those who accept failure can succeed. But when you see failure as an insult, you are bound for failure. More failure. And this message is going to the interim government. Once you see failure as an insult, let me tell all of you that IG, because the IG not be una, now the blood of Amazon and the way they spill, no say you be bound for more failure. Any person who see failure as a move to do things, if you go back, go rectify that failure. Most of una today, una they look activists, they say they be church and bail, but when the president of this revolution is an activist. The president for this revolution, where he did now, he was an activist. But if you ask and say, did his activism, when he don't make it president, it is supposed to motivate thousands of people. Sorry. It's supposed to motivate thousands of other activists that will come. But no. Instead, you see people that demoralize activists. Look how many activists then. Who are the female activists? They apart from female general. Uganda are one female activist. Where are all the other activists? Where are they? Because when they come out and rebuke people, people take it as insults. People say, no, we cannot tolerate this. Ask yourself, say, when did we start fighting inside? When? Activists with the voice of the revolution. That's why you see me. That's why I've been on the table and I say, if we had to do what most of you who call yourself, you love this IG are doing now. Look, Milan Atem and the others would have still been in this government. Get it very clear. If not for people coming out and saying what Milan Atem was doing, they revealed it to activists. And activists immediately reacted to it. That called for attention. I don't think we'll be having people now talking themselves they're in the government. Most of you in that position will not come. But it's because we as activists then were motivated secretly behind. We could talk to people. We could interact. Certain messages were given to us. Intelligence messages were given to us to declassified and brief Ambazonians. They could differentiate between activists that are for the government, patriotic activists, and activists that are just there to work their way in. We're being informed on many things that preserve the foundation. That's why Seseko is unable to break this government right in jail. But if it had to be with some of you now, I'm telling you, this government will get paralyzed. Like this government, like the Republic will destroy them. If it had to be said that this were our own government now, what would they talk? Wait, is there for that Kondengi? That means we not go work now. Because the way Soro gets the wake up, you don't even give a chance to reason. If it has to be like this, when someone sees your failure, accept it. Let me give you one example. Look, I'll start with FACO, then I'll come to Mountain Race, then I will touch the others. Let's start with FACO, the dissolving of FACO Security Council. The dissolving of FACO Security Council was a brilliant idea. Yes. Was a brilliant idea. FACO is the capital. FACO is the capital of the country. That's why I be doing the ask. I say, who did the advise President Sako? Who then they give you advice? Who are those? Who are the think tanks where they link up with you? Do they just sit, go and hold meetings and just come one morning and come and do things? No. A government in every country that wants to take its people up, like we're there for 220 now, 221, they don't already start prepared, say, if this war ever enter 222 with AXO. Now, the idea of dissolving FACO Security Council was very okay. But the timing, the actions to come in were properly wrong. Now, you don't do things. This is the people's government. This is the people's blood. The way you handle the government is the way the people will value the blood of Amazonia. Now, why we don't talk before? I say, if you are in the member of the government and you're not willing to sacrifice your life, then leave. If you are the member of the government, if you may they call your name when you do wrong, leave. Because your name, just like how we call Helen Akonji, is not better than Charger the way they die for ground. Your name is not better. If you are in the government, you don't want to be visiting places to make things happen. A government, a chairman of a county, a security chief, they are the first soldiers of this war. They should be ready to sacrifice their life anytime. If you know you are not ready to do it, quit. Now, the IG don't come, it has to take over these three counties, though I don't talk, FACO, Meme, and Dian, because now the bread baskets, then when it concerns minerals. But what plan did the IG do to take it? Was it good for the IG to come 3 months? 3 weeks before AFCON and dissolve the county? No. Was it good for the IG to call a Presidential Security Defense Council that it has to be in place right up to now? Nothing has been done? No. Then what's the problem? The problem is they are not proactive. The problem is they do things without getting things in place. For example, before the FACO Security Council had to be dissolved, the IG should have sat by January. By January. I'm saying this live now because people didn't go prepare in JK name. I wasn't supposed to say this. The IG was supposed to sit by January, prepare it, and come and say, oh, we want to dissolve FACO Council. The IG has to take over. By January, they had to sit down, prepare their plans, arrange everything, and then they wait. While they arrange, they're already behind. Maybe one person in the government has been given an idea that, oh, you will go do so, you go do so, you go do so. For make sure, say, when the IG, the one take over FACO, may the IG do like this. That's it. Now, when they say and say September or October don't reach, they don't say AFCON, then January. By then, the president now will come in, not even if you make a live show, make a degree and taking over FACO. Simple. You have 4 months. Before you want to do that, say if you want to announce, you don't already prepare the Presidential Executive Defense Council. You don't already prepare them. You don't already prepare. Now, you know, they just go pass an order and then we sit down for back. No, you don't do that when people are dying. You need to go pass an order for Ambazonians. We not there for sing Hosanna as they sing for beer. No, we don't sing that kind of Hosanna because of say you are in the interim government or you are whoever. I don't tell and say the same way I stand against Iseku, the same way I stand against everybody. If you don't do what is right, I will tell you direct. I'm not scared of whether you are who. I don't owe you for. I don't owe nobody. I only those who have put my life for and those who are dying for me. Say tomorrow Africa enjoy that land. Not them who I owe my life to. So if you had to do that, which is a brilliant idea, coordination is what has been lacking in this revolution. Coordination. When I talk, they will say, oh, Prince, the attack. Coordination is what is lacking. If things were coordinated very well without people mixing their interests, this IG no go lack money. Money go to come off for ground. But because of say, backdoor, man, no man, it there for back. People now don't mix their interest to the government. The interim government don't if you get the benefits, you know if you coordinate. It's coordination that is lacking. Then when we talk about the coordination, when we rebuke, people take it as insult because they feel that they are failing. No. Now, if this was well arranged, you will see and say, the president will take over, things will be well done. But look, may I ask you now one question. Since where they dissolve Fako Security Council, today na March. Today we didn't have a match. Who said I write that for my post people the vex. Una not like true. True not they find out when they talk about the different people, eh? They announced presidential wait for Fako since January. That means if we be the wait all man for Fako for don't die. They announced them since January. We did for March. Before they even went dissolve Fako, was the presidential security council or the self-defense council for Fako not already be in place? Me ask you now. We then a war. When I don't see how the Republic just surround Bui. It won't finish. They not even announce for una. Before they even want dissolve Fako Security Council, when it was already active, for inside this revolution, ask and say out of the 13 counties, who they don't use their word draft very well, they will tell you say Fako. If not be waiting, Fako be prepared. Look, we since where they say they don't dissolve we after AFCON. Which AFCON I don't see for Victoria again? Me ask now. Since where they be dissolve Fako Security Council, I be come for you, I be tell una. I be tell all una say action go start, I be give una date, and I be give una date where go end. Since after the date where I give una way end, which action don't happen for Victoria again? Me ask una. Which action don't happen? Tell me one. You don't hear some popcorn holler for some sites? Who now wanna be go out, go say Prince Jeka one be this, one be that. Job where we and Watana Wata will gather with voluntary people the way they give. Since where the AFCON pass, where all wanna be the hear the popcorn for this side, you don't hear one action again for Victoria. Me action now. You don't hear one action? Because people they mix politics, reality, with truth. People they mix reality for say somebody they fail. I be talk say after that and we not go do anything because I be want show Ambazonian people say for life we know the reason now with heart, with the reason and with the brain. Before me I want come out for can't talk about something. I'm not stupid. I'm not a dullard. I cannot be speaking wisdom and I think foolishly. I be talk that thing because I be want to say mountain race go still come for prove una right. Say the interim government, Bishop John, they know the act the way they get for act. Look mountain race where they pass. Ask yourself, say, waity, they be don't put them in place. But they be the play politics when this thing was going on. Ask yourself, say the mountain race will be the pass. Now number how many mountain race this? Now number how many mountain race this for inside this war, what would they? Now number how many? Now almost the number 4. Wait, you don't hold. For all the mountain race, we don't give money. The last mountain race where this problem for Fakono, we don't come. You know how much we give? Me and Eric Tato, by then, Eric Tato never be person we be today. We raised close to $8,000. We give them by then a form by the day. Not to talk of the one with Fako Security Council give. But you know the excuse what we get? No, that picking then their life, we not play with that picking then their life. Okay, yes, you not play with the picking their life. Where is the money? Where is the money? Now for the way see her, she don't say no. Let me come back because when they want insult Fako, you don't hear they call some person in him. They call her Prince. They call her me. Or they call chairman or they call President Sako. You never hear Sunday the one call say Fako. Look like today Mount Terrace no day. You see the tax on person. Where the Mount Terrace go, you see the tax on person, they tax na Prince. Now when me I leave for tell when I say things that be right, I go for my county, I start do things. We go bring Pikin them. Pikin they go do job. So they will bury one way, die with bullet for his skin. If friend they the only year as politicians for interim government. They go the holla, say na their guys, na joint action, na this. Is that the way revolution is done? Small Pikin that will not even call play with every day because we call another like public will go wage attack for that side. Small Pikin that will motivate them because of the insult way the guys them for Mountain Lions they be the give. Some of the guys, not even all because the way today for that and say now if you talk against Sagat, they kill you, they finish you. If you talk against Sagat, you die. Now tonight you should go find Gabonese. So as Gabonese be tell and say anything where they do with ADF, they know they day. Your name na die. Then they go find you. Once you stand against Sagat, you collect money for some place. Sagat no, your name na die. He talk anyhow if you want. Now only he be the fighter, even Field Marshal, not the insult the government. But today when we wake up, Fako County ESCO, he wake up say may they defend the interim government where the Fako County now for day the president even come out, that for day the capital day. People for inside the interim government where will wake up for honor them. The small will go for back. For go show do personal interest. Where picking a day for down, we don't go motivate that picking them. Then they say, una rise, una defend. The picking a day for inside Victoria, they struggle for do action. Despite the tight security, they work for corner. So they go shoot someone for a belly. They bury that one. We send people for this government. They go shit down. They talk saying that this one do the job. Now, all things don't quiet. I be talk two things. I tell them, say, may they send that Pikin, may they go. That Pikin, they say that they do that job. May they send them, may they go do action for Boya. They never do no action for Boya. May they send them, may they go do again the action for Victoria. No action never be for Victoria. We she don't quiet. I tell when I say, since after they will not the argue again with interim government, may the government can take over Fako. We don't she don't for back. Where was the presidential distinct way Mount Terrace go hold? Where was the Secretary of Defense where Mount Terrace hold? That is what people ask when blood is being spilled. No fear whether my country people or whoever. That is what the role of an activist it needs to be. Hold people to their task. I don't come here to cherish you. You are not my king. Are you my queen? You are not my king. Even my father, I don't cherish you. I'm not coming here to cherish you. Be what, whoever. Be whoever. I'm not here to cherish you. We are in war. People are dying. You live in America. You sleep in your bed. And you are busy to try to promote somebody who is not doing a job because you feel, say, this one is my brother, this one commander for my tribe. I'm picking that they die. Is it normal because you think you're under the government? If na so be the do and then Milan attend the for come out. Me to Dakar they will see the day. If na so be the do am. Gili they will see the day. So what is the difference between you and the Milan and the others? What's the difference? Now when we wake up talk, because you cannot be you will not be coordinated. It's true. If the defense of the interim government was coordinated, the president will not come and dissolve Fako. How many weeks before the Nation Cup? And then announcing a presidential self-defense way, they never even get one person, they never do nothing. You don't do that. And then Bishop John Dede, since we were talking about Bishop John go, they only look now look. They only look now look. You don't do that. Which Secretary of Defense go she done 3 weeks before something will happen? You never buy not stick, you never put no granite. You give your own president letter. Say may go she done for Facebook for online. Go sing and say you did dissolve a security council way. That security council don't ready to work with that picking. They don't get materials. Don't use word draft. Do you mean well from Ambazonia people? Then you want talk. When I don't go gather surrogates. Go gather people then. Say Prince Jeka is like this. May they come. I look on a tell. Now when I see me, I never be part of a government. I know they look some person in the face. That's why I've never been part of a government. When I go gather people then, say me they can't. Where is the truth? So let me tell you. You all have to wake up. If you want people to sing your praise, then you really be ready to sacrifice your life. We cannot sing your praise when you're sleeping in your bed. We cannot. If you want us to sing your praise, you need to do what will defend the interest of Ambazonia. Then we'll sing your praise. You need to be proactive. Now again, I will tell now. 20 May the camp. If you ask and I say what preparation, ma wake up them for sleep now. Maybe an amateur will wake up them. 20 May the camp. You get 3 days then. 20 May the camp. Maybe more forget about Women's Day. 20 May and 1st of May the camp. Let's ask now, say, they don't do preparation. Sometimes an hour I go talk. Now where they go start. Is that we're in a revolution? A revolution, things need to be done 1 year, 8 months. That's how the plan needs to go. But now, I don't tell you now. I be talk about mountain race, but I don't be talking openly. I be talk say, they don't dissolve Akko County. Mountain race, the camel see what you go do. They don't go talk, say, no, everything what they do now, these people don't contribute money, give, go pay people black, cause people say, wata na wata. I never ever thief someone money for una. If I like, I go open my phone to that show una every month, I pay. No government, una never give me no nothing. People there for this government, they chop money. People there for inside this government, I get their list, so for my hand. I suffer, I raise money, I give them for county. People there with their face not even there for eyesight. La Republic not even know their name. La Republic not even know their doorstep. They chop my sweat. My sweat. I come online here, I make millions. $40,000 I make. You know, I not chop one cake, neither one bread from McDonald's from that money. I work for each county, I give una money. I support una every day with my life. Inside my bank account, I still take money. None of una know how they sleep. But the best thing una fit do, when we can ask una for action, when una know they pay me. Now me is to support una. Some of una they pay una car bills, una rent bills from our own sweat. When we can ask una, the best thing una fit do, now for go arrange people. But they can't talk dirty things against we. So let me tell you, first, the way forward, learn to be proactive. Learn to prepare things beforehand. You see this mountain race, why I go for mountain race now? You see mountain race, why mountain race is whole? Now because of, say, we don't decide, say, we not go do anything based on the past one, the way don't happen. You know how much Akko County don't lost for mountain race? Una know? We don't get dirty excuse. Una know? Una know how much we take for do action for Victoria where people be told say action not go happen? It double the money where Akko County don't waste for mountain race. I could tell you. Now, based on those reasons where you see we talk say Formbad go away, see Formbad go to do all those things, and some people for the IGD support it for back. You know how much we don't spend for Akko County for mountain race? Ask, go ask and say how much we use for making AFCON not happen. It not reach the money we will give them for one mountain race. It not reach. It not reach the money we give them for one mountain race. Me and Eric Tato for last mountain race, we give $8,000 so people race, we race online. $8,000. No one stick, no happen. No one granite. Now from there we start question things. Now from there we start question. $8,000? $8,000, you know how much is that? You go here speaking, they know they're like, how? Where is the money? No, we don't use the money for this. You start here to write dirty excuse. You start here dirty excuse. Dirty excuse. Just like this one too. I don't hear say they don't give money, but that one, the money no pass from my hand. I know they talk no nothing. The money no pass from my hand. So I know they talk nothing. For 3 years or 4 years we have been in this for every day mountain race whole. That's why when I see we decide to bring Reverend Asong. That's why you see we decided to bring Reverend Asong to come and do a job. And why would I say we not do something that we say we not go fit do? They picking them where we don't train them for the method where we use now for this war, the ghost warriors. They for fit enter that place. One of them for fit enter inside Boya, scatter that place. All man scatter. One of them for fit enter, do something. But we should don't, because we want to make a message pass for the government for no say, before you want to do some good thing, prepare them beforehand well. It don't happen for this revolution every time. There is no preparation, there is no coordination. That's why you see mountain race whole. Mountain race whole because there is no preparation, there is no coordination. There is no preparation. That's why mountain race whole. If there was preparation, if people were accepting their failures, and then they don't look about people, they look about correcting the mistake they did, mountain race will not hold, just like how when I see AFCON no hold. But when you come on and you say it, people will feel bad. It's the same thing that happened there. It's the same thing. You will hear all kind of excuse. But the mountain race here whole. Money be don't be given. Why? Okay, now the mountain race not there. You don't bring the money back. So, Southern Cameroonians, we have the capability to win this war. But let's not cherish people. You see, everybody for the IG, I love everybody. I respect everybody. But when they play with the blood of Ambazonians, I don't respect you. When I see things you need to do and you are slowing to do, I take back my respect. If you ask that countryman, Eric, he will tell you, we're very good. I never ever give some person my Facebook password. I never ever share somebody the way I used to share with Eric. But the day where he blunder, I take him back. You see this government, I will always stand for this government. Many people don't get me. I don't get many enemies to do the one poison because of this government. So I don't go see some dirty, as she don't say, I the fear make some non-entities, they can make audio about me. I will never. If I see dirty, I will tell her. Clean and clear. Clean. If I see dirty, I go open them out. So please, let's learn from our mistake and build a strong wall together. Fombat no be bad person. This part you hear me calling him here, no be bad person. But why I stand against Fombat now? Because he no fit do some job and he take money to go waste time where people they die. Now they wanting that. And some we are brothers, they no fine, say no fit do that job. But because of say maybe he come on for one tribe with them, or because of say maybe he protect their own interest, they the one protect you. That is what is killing this our IG. That is what is killing this our IG. You will not find some person they will enough capable for do something. Because you fear say maybe you don't do some dirty thing with that person. You don't that person also your dirty secret. You go prefer say that person take the money from Ambazonia and they waste time for mod. Just because you want your interest. Maybe people they don't look you bad. That's the problem we have in this revolution now. That's the problem. Because if not, what is it? What is it? Look, since wherever Asson come, can look be competition where don't be Fako. Look, since wherever Asson come, look the competition. If we be just she done and say, me we there as we be there for Fako. If we hear stories for that AFCON, if we hear kind story, kind. But since we move, look here the action. Now the same so that they make Ambazonian people they believe. No, I know. So no, I just talk now some things about Eric. No, that one no need for bother. Me and Eric we don't part waste long time. So thank you, Ambazonians. I don't hear audios about whether my country people or whoever. If my country people share with a failure, that means you have to take it as a point to succeed. Now, so me I look my life. If we don't fail for mountain race, then use the failure for mountain race to succeed in other things. Don't take it as a hatred. Yeah, don't take it. And this is why I've always said it. All counties will be on fire. Just look, for example, Nambui, that fire from Bui. If you ask the self-defense group, the Secretary of Self-Defense say, he don't arrange for backup, there is no arrangement. He go tell you as county chair, county this. No. Despite you get county chairs and security chiefs, you have to do your own personal effort. Now with that word, you go from you will see cash up the department, they give money. But ask one question: which plan don't ever be put in place by the defense team? Say if some action, if something that they want to attack some place, make this group, make these people they gather, they go solve, they go help them, or make this county, these things. Which acts? Nothing. Let's be real. No coordination. Account is they struggle by themselves. The same thing where they happen from Bui. Now the same thing where they almost go do one for the BLM. Chairman Pascal be wake up. Oh, there is action. There is fire in the BLM. We need backup. We need backup. No backup could come. But you hear monies which are disappearing in defense. What kind of nonsense? And between they die, people they don't put their life in. How will you be a defense chief? No plans. You are planless. We only hear kinds of meetings. We didn't for like Republic Kangaroo section when people are dying. Equipment you cannot give. You give complaints. Only complaints we hear failures here and right. And then people are there singing you praise. We don't do that. I don't do that. You can do all the things you want to do. But me, Prince, I don't do that. I will come out here and I will tell you straight. Straight. Because I've given my life. I've given my everything for this revolution. I will tell you straight. You cannot be in the interim government or in the defense and you are not planning. There is no coordination. You don't have a drafted calendar for the year in a war. And then you want people to come and sing and be happy. We will rebuke you openly for you to correct yourself. How will we be in a war? You don't. I said this last year. I said, how can we be? We don't have a drafted calendar which is followed. We don't have a drafted calendar which you are already using it as a strategic point to win the war. How can we be like that? The defense team must have its own drafted calendar. Every department must have a drafted calendar to save its people. You will be in a revolution, nobody, you don't have a drafted calendar. We are just sitting with the way now the day by day. You first prepare your calendar. If something comes on before that, then you can adjust it. When we talk now, they will send surrogates. And if any person don't chop or no, you know, go and no give the money. No person. If you don't chop, oh God. And they plenty, I don't want to talk. I don't want to go that side. May they continue to do that. Listen, I just wait. I just wait. As they continue to do, the good people, the way they did for the revolution was sustained, they use surrogates them, like Uchemba, for the drive them away. Would they laugh na laugh? May they continue. The good one, the way they use na surrogates, like Uchemba, and the others, for God to scare them away, for the worker call their name, make this and that, do this and that. I asked myself, when has activists in the interim government started attacking each other? We never did. But today there is one hostile bulldog everywhere attacking people, and people are sitting quiet. You hear even members of the interim government promoting it. I asked them that if we were attacking ourselves like that, would they be in that office? If we were attacking ourselves like that, the information we got about Milan Atem, that things, everything that is going on, would some of them be there? If others that were there before them were doing all those things that they are doing, using one person to be chastising and making everybody feel weakened for the revolution. Please, Ambazonians, be focused. Truth is good. Truth is good. When they tell you truth about your failure, take it as a success to your life. That's what I do. So may God bless you all. We don't get some nice time where we don't talk. And may all of you have a blissful evening. We'll get some other time where we'll talk. And if you know any activists where you know they see online, try for call ye, talk for ye, motivate him, make it come back. Some people like me, I know they receive my strength from people. I receive my strength from the inner mind, my spirit. That's why you see me, no matter views or what, you will see me here. No matter those, the way I stand for, where I give my life, no matter, you will see me, I will still come. But there are many who have been working behind. Go behind. If you know any activist who you don't watch it, where you know the see, go behind, go motivate it. Call it for your phone. Motivate it. Tell it, say, keep it up. Because no one they give you, nobody they motivate them. Neither nobody, some person they ask you how you sleep, how you are picking, but they fight for you. Try and do that. Some of them need it. Some of them have given up their own families, their own time for their own children. They come here, nobody in this government pays them. Nobody gives them a dime, whether they are sick. Even the phone they use, nobody knows how it is. Your one call will encourage them. That's why you see many, even especially the women, especially the women, go to the women which you know they have been doing activism. A woman's voice is very important. Talk to them, motivate them, because they have to be there. And always try to guide them. It will help a lot. Because with the recent surrogates we have, most of them have chased many people away to their hiding holes. God bless you. Have a lovely day.